Hey, what's going on, friend? So I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys, if you're getting frustrated while painting, you normally like painting, try to see if maybe it's the brush. That's what happened to me. I was using this brush here, and I kept getting my base color all over my trim, and I was getting frustrated the whole time. So I finally said, you know what, I'm gonna try a different brush. I'm gonna grab a brush that's the same size as my boards and see how that works. So I just want to show you guys here real quick. And that makes painting a lot more enjoyable when you have the right size brush. So if you guys are getting frustrated, your painting's not going as it should, try a different brush. Thanks for watching.